show you guys this hair tool organizer that I purchased. It's really nice because it just fits so much and it's great to just have like a place to put everything and you know it's nice and organized. I personally have the Shark Airwrap, but I think this also fits the Dyson really well. So you could see it has a ton of space in here. I wanted to show it to you with putting everything in. So here is the actual tool itself, um, the dryer, and then all the different accessories, which I love. Like, again, I just like having a place for everything to go and not have to worry about where it is. And I can keep this in my bathroom, nice and neatly organized instead of just like on the counter or underneath. Everything fits perfect in here, and there is a lot of space. I'll show it to you all zippered up. Um, if you're looking, you have like either the Dyson or a different type of like hair tools, this is perfect to get. You can like then travel with it. Closes, nice zipper. Comes in different colors. I think the pattern is really pretty on it too. I'll show it to you up close. It has like a really nice pattern, really good quality. It feels like soft. Everything fits in here perfectly. Again, you can like travel with this or just keep it nice in your bathroom and organized and not have to worry about all the pieces everywhere. Really happy I got this.